back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these super cute spring twists. Keep on watching. So these spring twists, which look more like passion twists to me, but the packaging from Freetress says the 2x spring twist 26-inch in the color 1B. These are the other colors that they offer. Absolutely love this hair. I did do another twist video using this same hair, but I used the color Caramel. So I'll link that video up above, but this is the color 1B. These are 26 inches, so they are super long. So I'm gonna give you a 360 and then we'll get into some more details of this hair. So keep on watching. So again, this is the Freetress Spring Twist crochet hair. So I did crochet these in. I just recently did some faux locks with Eon hair. I also linked that video up above. I literally took those faux locks out. I have another protective style to do, but I wasn't quite ready to like wash my hair. So I literally took those faux locks out, used the same plaits that I had for the faux locks, and installed these quick, super easy spring twists. Now when I show you how I did this, you're gonna be like, I definitely can do that. And you definitely can. So make sure you keep on watching for the tutorial. And yeah, let's get right to it. So this method that I used to install these twists was super quick and easy. This install literally took me about an hour, no lie. Crocheted in. Some of them I literally just twisted my hair around the spring twist. Some of them, I just opened the spring twist hair up, twisted my hair in between. Super easy, super simple. The hair is so lightweight. I'm gonna show you a bunch of styles that you can do with this hair. So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any uploads, because that will be in another video. But for this video, I just wanted to show you this quick, super easy, simple install. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and which color do you like better? That caramel, I think that's how you say a color, or this color 1B. I've been doing a lot of protective styles with colors. So to get back to my 1B, you know, everything looks better in black, so. But yes, definitely loving these twists. Super quick, easy, protective style. You can do this, trust me. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.